Hello class, in this video we're going to look at some of our important class information that I need to introduce before the start of the semester. In this video I'm going to give you some information like contact information for your teacher, talk about the class style, the book we will be using, some grading information, and just important details that you need to know for this semester so that you can do your best to learn English and also get a good grade from this class. Okay, so first things first, we have the important information, the name of the teacher. My name is Mr. Fahy, or Anthony, or Mr. Fahy is probably what students call me. So once again, my name is Mr. Fahy. My phone number, very important, is 01093764239. Once again, 01093764239. I give you my phone number so that you can contact me or call me if you have a question or a problem during our semester. You can ask in English or Korean. English would be good for practice, but the contact information is important if you have an emergency question or problem. You also have my email if you need, and you can also email me if you have a question about class, English question, or even a question about attendance, chulsok as well. So once again, you have phone number and email. Phone number is much quicker, but if you want to email me, that's okay too. So contact information is there. Moving on to our next part, we have talk about the class style. In this English class, we're going to have our goals, or what we want to do is to improve English skill and communication skills. You need English for your work, or maybe for travel, or for future projects. So you want to improve your skills and confidence with communication. How? Method is to study and practice English grammar. That's one part. So we will write a little bit, understanding grammar and using sentences, vocabulary, and also practice through listening, speaking, and writing in class. Okay, so speaking assignments, listening assignments, reading and writing all together to improve your English ability. And finally, when we work on this, every week we are working, you're building confidence, you're building your skills every week to improve your communication, confidence, and your ability to speak English. Next, we have class forums. So how do we communicate? We have our Kakao Talk room, okay, open chatting, that we can communicate. I can share information like our class book, any information questions you want to ask, and also when we have our exam or Xiam, I can share to you test preview materials as well. Also, this semester we have Hala eCampus, which means you can watch this video or you can look at the week's assignments online if you need to. Very important, if you miss class or you want to catch up on class, you can take the online lectures, watch these videos, and online assignments as well, so that you can practice along with the semester. Okay. Next, some information. So we have our book, okay? The book is Smart Choice 1. All right, Smart Choice 1, be careful, 4th edition, student book, and Oxford is the publisher. That's for study. So we will use our book in class for reading, writing, vocabulary, and discussion as well. Okay, so we must get the book for class. Secondly, you can use computer or laptop in class if you want, no problem. If you don't, that's fine. You only need the book, most important. But if you want to use eCampus at home or take the lecture at home, you can use desktop or laptop to take eCampus outside of class. Also, my tip, very important, to bring notebook, 공책, or stationery to class for writing. If you have no pen or paper, it is very difficult to teach you. It is very difficult to learn. So please, if you're coming to an English class, bring a pen or pencil and a notebook too, please. And finally, we use our phones for contact. There's no phones in class. We don't need a phone in class. But if you have a question or a problem or something you want to ask me in English, please do not hesitate to use your phone. So next we're looking, this is our book. This is Smart Choice 1. This is the student book. We will use this in class, and I will explain in another video how we will use the book and introduce some parts to the book as well. But it is important that you have a copy of the book for class. You can buy the book or print the book, anything okay. But please remember that it is important to get this book for class, to practice along with the lecture. Very important. So some class rules, of course. Number one, don't be late. If you're late, you're missing information and it can lower your grade sometimes as well. So please try to make it to class on time. Class is short, so we need to be on time so that you get all the information and that you are ready and prepared for class. Attendance, of course, attendance is very important every week to checking attendance. If there is a problem or with Schulsok, or you cannot come, if you're sick or family problem or work, please contact the professor so that he can check the attendance for you. But once again, just be careful because too many absences can hurt your attendance or your grade. Communication, if you have problem, you are sick, you are late, please contact the professor, let them know so that he knows that you will be late or absent from class. Please be organized. If you come to class, have your book, your student notebook, pen, be ready for class, okay? Very important. Difficult to teach you without the notebook or book or pen in class. English class. Please be polite, be positive. Positive means thinking, okay, I want to learn. I want to come to class and do well. So when you come to class, don't be thinking negative about English. English level, not important. Only attitude. Attitude, number one. Best attitude gets the top grade or probably gets the most from our class. Having good manner, being polite, really important when learning language in this class. And finally, English only. I'm English teacher. You are coming to an English class. I will speak English to you. If that is difficult, don't worry. Communication number one, English number two. Try to speak English. Do not be afraid. Do not be scared. The more you try, the more you will improve, get more confident, and of course it will help your grade as well, okay? So once again, don't forget, English only and positivity is really important. And finally, I would say that my class philosophy or motto would be control. So when we practice, we have control of our language. Confidence, feeling confident when you practice every week or every day. You get more confident and stronger. And finally, communication. Once again, this class, communication, number one, language, number two. Okay, communication is trying to understand each other, okay, and with practice. And if you can remember this, you will do well in this class, okay? So good luck. This class information is very important, so please review when the teacher shares it with you. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in class or by communication, by phone or by email, okay? Thank you.